Okay, to switch over now to the spray bar system, I want to open up the valve to the spray bar. So I take this valve and I open it all the way. And then I set the panel on top. So the controls on top, there's 3 sets of switches in there. The first one I'm going to set is the brush, which is on the right side of the machine. I have the brush up. And this is the brush height setting right here. I turn on the brush only. I don't know if you can hear that or not. And I slowly, so I pull this out, and there's a series of holes in there, and there's a stop point in there. I just lower it till I hear it hitting the carpet. And once it hits the carpet, that is the right setting. If you set it too low, it tends to drag and needs to flick. The cleaning function of this brush is a flicking motion, and if you have it set too low, it drags and it can't clean the carpet as well. So brush setting is a key ingredient in getting the floor clean. And that's the first thing you do. Whenever you change carpet, you want to make sure you set that. And when you're finished the job, you want to pull this out and set it back up into that notch to lift the brush off the floor. If you leave the brush down, then the brush that's in contact with the floor takes on a set, and you lose that part of the brushing action for a while until it comes out of that set motion. So I'm going to set the brush again, pull it out, so I hear it in the carpet. Now that's locked in place. I have the valve open, turn on the vacuum, and the flow coming out of the clean water tank, there's 2 ways I can do it. If I push it towards me, one setting, there's a little finger knob right here, and when I push down on that, that actually turns on the pump. And it's a very light pressure spring, so I'm going along, I'm doing smaller areas. I don't have to take my hands off and turn anything off. I want the water to stop, I take my hand off this right here. If I want to go down in a large area, I take this switch and I push it forward. Now the pump is on all the time. And that's, which is what I'm going to be doing going down this hallway. So I'm turning on the vacuum, put the brush on, turning on the water. I'm going to use this, lower, one thing I missed, I'm going to lower the squeegee on this knob right here. Show you that again. This foot pedal, push it down and in, locks that up. Push it down and out, drops that down onto the floor. The second dial right here is a pressure setting on this squeegee tool. When you turn, you can put more or less pressure on that depending on the suction effect you want on the carpet. Keep in mind it's a brush assist machine. The more down pressure you push down on this, the more pushing action it'll take to move that along. So you want to fine tune that so it's sealing properly on the carpet, but it's not too much down pressure on that. You notice everything coming up to the top here, you see where it's actually picking the product off the floor.
That's good, Tom. Okay, Adrian.